Hello everyone. I going to Panglao, Alona Beach to give my scooter back. I don't know, I'm in Carmen or near Carmen. So you see this forest. You know, first time when I crossing Alona to Ubay, was many people doing photo, recording. I didn't understand why. Because in Belgium we have many forests like that, and kilometers and kilometers. You can be lost. So big you can be lost. You can walk 20 kilometers in forest. So when I was arrived at Ubay, I checked internet and I saw this forest. It's handmade, like that you say. It's mean it's people, Filipino. We forest 2 kilometers. I don't know what it was before, when it was made, but it's this story, this small forest. Only 2 kilometers, full of trees. I saw there is park like that, you can see, but I have no time. So I just wanted to see you, to show you, sorry. See many people stop and doing photo. But many people are crazy. They sit middle of the road and they doing photo. I don't understand why. Look, they stay middle of the road because some people they drive very fast. So let's go to explore the lake. All the lake, the forest. Sorry, I'm tired because I just drive many kilometers. And it's just my first stop. I don't want too much to explore because for me it's ordinary. We have many forests in Belgium and my baggage is on motorcycle. I'm a little afraid someone take it. You see, he stay middle of the road with scooter. And you know, some people here, they drive very fast. They don't care. Yeah. So, let's go. A quick stop. Look this bridge. Wow, this stair. So small, this stair. My gosh. I will leave my back here. The name of river, I don't know. I think it's Loboc because I think I'm near Loboc. I don't remember, but I just want to see. Wow, the bridge is literally smooth. Oh my gosh. Little scary. Oh my gosh. Boy. So let's go back. So I'm in Loboc. The river you saw earlier is the Loboc River. So you remember I was this spot last video. So I asked for the boat. It's 850 pesos. It's buffet included. And you must do it. You cannot just do the tour. So 850 pesos per eat. So now I'm in Alona Beach. You know, I don't understand. People who coming to Alona Beach, they rent something. And they don't swim, only one there. One there. Really, why you come to Alona Beach if you not swim? Really. So today I found rent for 600 pesos. You know, it's 1,200, but to me, I know how to discuss. I always say, oh, I found cheaper. I always give better price. So I get for 600. And Pedro Guest House is 2 kilometers from airport. I take there because in morning I will walk if I take in Alona Beach. If I take in Alona Beach, I need to take tricycle, but they always shit. I have my flight 7 o'clock. So tomorrow I have time. In Mania, I have a few hours. So if I have time, I will go to Makati. Me, I cannot swim because my skin is red. My skin is very damaged there. So I cannot swim. So that's all for today, because I have nothing to say more. Alona Beach, it was in my video last week, you can see. There is many foreigners here. But usually they come in evening, they don't like the sun. In evening it's full here. Now most of people are in bar, in evening they are full of people. So today I saw we reached 700 subscribers. Thank you. You know, I want to say thanks when I reach 200, but too fast is going 300, now 700. I only start end of January, so it's like 5 months soon. So we will travel many, like I say yesterday in my video. So thanks for 700 subscribers from everywhere, from Canada, from India, from Russia, from France, from USA, from China, from Taiwan, from Brazil, from Turkey, France. So thank you all. Maybe I forget some country, sorry. From Australia also I have subscribers from Australia. So thanks for watching and see you soon.